It's not like steam of something else. When the word is being used steam, it means this is the vapor of water. So you can say water vapor is specially known as steam. Okay, now we will see another thing, phase rule. So what is phase rule? To understand phase rule, you should understand degree of freedom. So what is degree of freedom? Degree of freedom means if you are changing your phase from solid to liquid and then from liquid to gas, your degree of freedom will increase. From solid to liquid and then liquid to gas, degree of freedom will increase. What does it mean? When you are in solid state, then your molecules cannot do lot of motions at a time. When you are in liquid state, your molecules are little bit free. They can do so many motions at a time. But when you are in gaseous state, you can do lot of other motions. What type of motion I'm talking? Let's discuss them. So first of all, what is degree of freedom? We should have the physical feel. Degree of freedom means how many types of motions or how many types of displacements you can do at a time. For example, aeroplane at a time, it can go in 3D, like it can cover height, it can cover distance, it can cover this sidewise also. So 3 dimensions here. And in the same time, aeroplane can rotate like this, it can rotate like this, and it can rotate like this. Yawing, rolling, pitching. So total 6 types of motion any fighter aeroplane can do at a time. And our normal plane also at a time. So this 6 became number of degree of freedom. So degree of freedom became 6. For example, there is a mosquito flying. So mosquito will fly at a time in 3 dimensions. So degree of freedom became 3. If mosquito is turning also during flight, then 1 extra degree of freedom will come. Now, suppose you have a bike going on the straight road. So degree of freedom will be, suppose this is x-axis. So degree of freedom will be 1. Either you go in this direction or you go in this direction, dimension is same. So degree of freedom will be 1. But imagine this bike is showing any kind of jump in which it is rolling like this. So because of roll, extra degree of freedom you have to count, because it is another type of displacement.